In this video, I will describe the arrows of each type and briefly explain how they can help you on your journey.
In this drawing, you can see that each number is connected to the two other numbers with arrows. On one hand, when relaxed and balanced, you take on the positive qualities of one, and on the other hand, when tense and in stress, you take on the negative qualities of the other. Once you begin to understand the patterns of your type, these arrows can be very useful. You can intentionally work toward the positive arrow, and when you recognize your stress patterns, this can be useful for you and for those around you.
Cloverleaf does a nice job of explaining the arrows of each Enneagram type. I will provide a link in the references so that you can find this information. The Enneagram arrows explained for each type. Enneagram 1 arrows. Under stress, the Enneagram 1 moves towards the 4. Stress impacts ones with a sense of hopelessness, becoming overly self-conscientious and critical. When secure, ones move toward the 7. When ones feel secure, they enjoy having fun and are more spontaneous. The Enneagram 2 arrows. Under stress, the Enneagram 2 moves toward the 8. Stress can cause 2s to become aggressive, especially when they don't feel appreciated, to the point of attacking, blaming, and seeking to control. When secure, 2s move toward the 4. When 2s feel secure, they are more transparent, possess creative potential, are aware of their feelings, and are honest about their full emotions. Enneagram 3 arrows. Under stress, Enneagram 3 moves toward the 9. Stress can cause 3s to become passive-aggressive, avoiding, and vengeful. When secure, the Enneagram 3 moves toward the 6. When 3s feel secure, they become more committed and invest in causes they truly believe in, not just what makes them look good. Enneagram 4 arrows. Under stress, the Enneagram 4 moves toward the 2. Stress can cause 4s to become codependent or manipulative and attention-seeking. When secure, 4s move toward the 1. When 4s feel secure, they act on their ideals to be more objective and less self-absorbed. Enneagram 5 arrows. Under stress, the Enneagram 5 moves toward the 7. Stress impacts 5s toward becoming easily distracted, insensitive, and withdrawn by spending too much time or money on their interests. When secure, the Enneagram 5 moves toward the 8. When 5s feel secure, they will exude more energy and action, taking the initiative with a greater sense of living in the moment. Enneagram 6 arrows. Under stress, the Enneagram 6 moves towards the 3. Stress can cause 6s to seek to impress or use others for their gain. When secure, the Enneagram 6 moves toward the 9. When 6s feel secure, they develop a calmness about themselves and are more trusting of others rather than suspecting their motives. Enneagram 7 arrows. Under stress, the Enneagram 7 moves toward the 1. Stress impacts 7s towards self-criticism, fault-finding, and blaming others. When secure, the Enneagram 7 moves toward the 5. When 7s feel secure, they accept the good and the bad, the happy and the sad aspects of life, while practicing self-discipline. Enneagram 8 arrows. Under stress, the 8 moves toward the 5. Stress can cause 8s to become withdrawn or become paranoid. When secure, Enneagram 8s move toward the 2. When 8s feel secure, they relate successfully to people with warmth and compassion. Enneagram 9 arrows. Under stress, the Enneagram 9 moves toward the 6. When 9s experience stress, they feel a sense of being overwhelmed by anxiety and indecisiveness. When secure, the Enneagram 9 moves toward the 3. When 9s feel secure, they tend to be more practical, productive, focused, and confident. The 9 Enneagram personality types are not static categories and can change over time. The growth and stress lines within the Enneagram symbol are not arbitrary. These inner lines connect the types in a sequence that denotes what each type will do under different conditions. In other words, different situations evoke different responses from each type's personality, and these lines help make sense of these responses. In both arrows, a person can access both the resourceful, positive, and non-resourceful, negative tendencies of the arrow type.
As you explore your personality type using the Enneagram, you will start to see and understand your patterns of behavior that you fall back on when stressed or overwhelmed. This awareness allows you to start seeing this with curiosity instead of judging and shaming yourself for your behaviors. And this leads to transformation. As my life coach, Kate Ingram, says, awareness plus non-judgment equals transformation. With this awareness, you can begin to notice your patterns and behaviors and reevaluate them. This reevaluation leads to the development of a healthier, more balanced version of you, one in which you can integrate the healthy parts of your wings and arrows to obtain peace and harmony. We will dive deeper into these complexities in a future video.